in this 3 cross 3 matrix. So in this, eigenvalue is used in mathematics is solving the linear differential equation, and engineering we have to using the model analysis and system. Now we have to find the eigenvalue of the 3 cross 3 matrix. So in this eigenvalue, we have to find the characteristic equation. You know how we can find the characteristic equation in 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so in this 3 cross 3 matrix, we have to find the characteristic equation as lambda cube minus c1 lambda square plus c2 lambda minus c3 equal to 0. Then we have to find the c1 and c2 and c3 using this matrix. Okay, so step by step we have to find the c1, c2 and c3. So c1 is, what is the c1? c1 is the sum of the diagonal element. So adding 1, 5, 1. So 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7. So c1 value is 7. C1 value is 7. Next we have to find the C2. C2 is nothing but the sum of the minor of the main diagonal element. So sum of the minor of the main diagonal element. So what is the sum of the minor of the main diagonal element? So it is 5, 1, 1, 1 plus, that is 1, 3, 3, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 5. Next we have to simplify. So 5 into 1 is 5 minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 1 into 5 is 5 minus 1. Okay, then 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 9 is minus 8, so minus 8, 5 minus 1 is that is plus 4. So here that is we adding this one, so 8 minus 8. So here the C2 value is 0. So C2 is 0. So similarly we have to find the C3 value. So C3 is nothing but the determinant of A. So using this matrix. So here we put plus, minus and then plus. So okay. So here 1 into, what is the, we have to leave the first row and first column. So we have to write the elements 5, 1, 1, 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Then 1 into 1 is minus 1. Next we have to using the second element. So here the second element is minus. So we have to put the minus value. So then 1. So we have to write the 1. Then we have to leave the second column and first row. So the elements are 1, 1, 3, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So the formula having minus, so 1 into minus 3. Okay, then third, we have the third element. So that is the plus. So here the element is 3. So we have to leave the first row and third column. So the elements are 1, 5, 3, 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 5 is 15. So formula having minus, so minus 15. Then we have to simplify. 5 into minus 1 is 4 and minus 1, we have to write the minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then 3, 1 minus 15 is minus 14. Then we have to simplify. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus into minus is plus. That is 1 into 2 is 2. And 3 into 14. What is the 3 into 14? Yes, it is a 42. So here the minus. So plus into minus is minus, minus 42. So adding 6 minus 42. What is the answer? Yes, it is minus 36. So minus 36. So you know all the values of C1, C2, C3. We have to substitute the C1, C2, C3. Okay. So here lambda cube minus, what is C1? C1 is 7. Lambda square. What is C2? C2 is 0. So we have to write 0 into lambda minus C3. C3 is 36 equal to 0. Then we have to simplify. Lambda cube minus 7 lambda square. 0 into anything is 0. So no need to write. So minus into plus is, minus into minus is plus. So 36 equal to 0. So this is our characteristic equation. Using this characteristic equation, we have to solving this characteristic equation, that is the eigenvalue. This characteristic equation, we get the eigenvalue. So using here see, it is a lambda power cube, that is third order. So in this third order we have to solving this lambda values using the synthetic division. You know how we can solve the synthetic division in lower class. So first we have to write the coefficient of the lambda. So that is lambda cube coefficient is 1 and lambda square is coefficient is minus 7. Here the lambda is 0. So we have to including the 0 value also. Okay. So 0. Then the constant is 36. We including the sign also. Okay. So how we can write it is, so lambda cube, the coefficient of lambda cube is 1 and the coefficient of lambda square is minus 7 and the lambda value is missing. So we have to put 0 and constant is 36. Then we have to start as minus 1. Okay, we have to write the pencil. Okay, so we have to using minus 1 and 1, minus 2 and minus 2. So the answer is 0. So in this problem we have to choose minus 2. So suppose we have to choose 1, minus 7, 0 and 36. First we have to choose minus 1. So we have to using 0. So 1. 1 into 1 is minus 1. So adding this value. So minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 7. So it is 7. 7 into minus 7. So here the answer is, in this answer is we have to become 0. So but here some number is having. So we have to choosing minus 2. Okay. So here see. So we put 0. So 0, 1 into 1, 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So again minus 2 into minus 2 is that is here we add in this value. So 7 and minus 2 is minus 9. So minus into minus is plus. So 9 into 2 is 18. So then adding this value 18. So 18 into 2 is minus 36. So we cancelling the value is 0. So that wise we have to choosing minus 2. Okay. So if it is minus 1 is wrong. Okay. So then we have to, similarly we have to choosing the value of that is here we have to choosing the 3. That is we put 0. Okay. So adding this value 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So again we put 3. So we have to simplify minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Here also we cancelling, the value is 0. So in this step we have to choosing. So here minus 6. So we have to using the value is 6. So then we put 0. So 1 into 6 is 6. So we have to cancelling, the value is 0. The value is 1. So here minus 2 and 3 and 6 is the eigenvalue. So here the minus 2, 3 and 6. So these are the eigenvalues. What is the eigenvalue in the given matrix? So if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, there are 3 eigenvalues. If it is 2 cross 2 matrix, if it is a there are 2 eigenvalues. For example, A, B, C, D. So the eigenvalues are 2. Okay. So whatever it is. For example, C or D. Okay. So if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, the eigenvalue is 3. Thank you.